Welcome to the Accesstive Learning Series. This form looks clear until the text disappears. Screen readers don't see your design. They rely on labels to explain each field. A label tells the user what the field means. No label is equal to no context. Here's a common pattern: a sign-up form with 2 fields. Enter your email, enter your password. Looks clear, right? But once you start typing, the placeholder disappears. Now the field is just blank, and the screen reader says, "Edit text," nothing else. The fix is simple. Keep the meaning outside the field. Add a visible label, email address, password. Now the user always knows what they're filling. Every field needs a clear label, not inside, above, or beside. Placeholders are hints, not labels. They disappear when users need them most. Short, clear, specific. Email address beats "enter your email here." Quick test: click into your form and remove the placeholder in your head. Do you still understand the field? If not, it's broken. For many users, labels are the only guidance they get. Without them, forms become unusable. They can't sign up, they can't log in, they leave. Accesstive addresses web accessibility barriers to help users navigate websites more effectively. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.